Hi guys, today I'm going to share this tasty croissant recipe. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I'm taking one egg into a bowl. With that, I'm adding 5 tablespoons sugar, and with the help of a beater or a whisk, I'm going to mix sugar and egg quite well. So mixing is quite important in any recipe. You can also use grinded sugar, it's really up to you if you don't want to mix that much. And once there is fluffiness in this mixture, then we will stop whisking or mixing. And as you see that it has turned out to be fluffy, we will add 1/4 cup of milk, and with that 2 tablespoons of oil. We used about 1 tablespoon, and then again whisk it with the help of a whisk, or you can also use a beater, electric beater. Well, I'm using this so that it's easy for everyone to mix. And while I'm doing it, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon, hit it, and you will get very well my latest videos on the first go. Now I'm going to add 2.5 cup of flour in it in this mixture after whisking it quite well. And with the help of a strainer, I am straining it. And now with the help of a spatula, I am going to mix all these ingredients quite well. You can just follow the same process like I am doing it, just follow it up. Once all these ingredients are mixed well, now it's time to knit a soft dough with the help of your hands, or you can also wear gloves if you're not comfortable. Just knit a smooth dough. And once the dough is knitted, we will place some oil on the top of it. Place some oil and then again knit a little bit. And after that, we are going to cover it with the help of a lid or a plate, or you can also cover it with the help of a cling sheet. Now place it aside for a few minutes, and after a few minutes we're going to take it and cut it into 2 halves. Well, I'm cutting into 2 equal halves, and then I'm cutting it into another half. Well, I'm cutting into 4 halves. And now we will make round balls out of it. Spread some of the flour onto the counter, or you can just spread it onto a sheet or place a sheet. And again place some of the flour on the roller as well, and with the help of a roller spread this dough out. Now take a knife and cut it into slices like I am doing it. Just cut the same slices. Well, you need to cut the slices into triangular form, and once it's cut, take the rest piece out and spread some of butter on the edges with the help of a brush. And once it's done, we are going to roll it out. You can just follow the same process like I'm doing it. That would be much recommended, and that's much easier to follow. And once you're going to follow, you will get the same taste and the same shape. Well, once you have rolled the dough out and made the croissant shape, we are going to fry them out. First, preheat the oil and fry it on low flame. And we have to make them turn golden and brown in color. And once it starts turning golden and brown, we will take them out into a presentable plate. Well, with the help of this shaped spoon or the strainer spoon, we are going to take them out so that there is not an excessive amount of oil in it. And once it's done, you can just enjoy it with chocolate syrup or honey or maple syrup, whatever you want to eat it with, or you can eat it as it is. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.